Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you some massive changes in the prefab home industry. Back in 2021, an offsite construction company by the name of Plant Prefab announced they were building America's first automated factory dedicated to efficiently and sustainably building multifamily and single-family housing. At the time, I was really excited to hear that news because there's currently a shortage of homes being built for the amount of people trying to buy. When multiple people are trying to buy the same home, it causes problems. So when a company announces they're rolling out a new way to build, it gets my undivided attention. I was interested in what they were doing, but how they planned to do it was a bit of a mystery to me because all we really got at that time was a rendering of their new facility, which we were told would be state of the art. Kidding, I made that rendering in KidPix. The actual rendering looked like this, which is better, but still left me wondering how much of the build process would be automated. The good news is the wheels are in motion. They've officially broken ground on their new facility, and even better yet, there is a new video that gives us a sneak peek on how they plan to improve the way homes are built. What I'm going to do is tell you a bit about Plant Prefab, look at how their new facility will run, and tell you why I think it matters for housing. So let's do it. Plant Prefab is on a mission to build a better world by design, and they're delivering on that mission by making it easy and more efficient to build high-quality, sustainable homes. In a message from their CEO and founder, Steve Glenn, he says, "We believe that everyone deserves to live in a beautiful, well-built home that's good for you and the environment. Plant designs and prefabricates custom, high-quality, healthy, single and multi-family homes." This company started out as a design studio all the way back in 2006, but decided to jump into the actual construction of homes in 2016 when they were finding it difficult to find builders who could consistently meet their high expectations. To do that, they raised money from Obvious Ventures, Amazon, and a few others and opened their first factory, a 62,000 square foot facility in Rialto, California. It's there that they developed their patented plant building system, which I'll touch on in just a second, that gives them an advantage over traditional prefab and site-based construction methods. They were the first prefabricated design and construction company in the United States dedicated to sustainable construction, materials, processes, and operations. In 2019, they committed to full carbon neutrality in their operations by 2028 and were the first prefabricated home builder to announce a net zero goal. Everything they've accomplished so far recently saw them recognized as a top construction tech startup by Traction, and based on what I'm seeing, they're really just getting started. Now, they're building everything from single-family homes and accessory dwelling units to multifamily and affordable housing projects. Let's see what they've got planned for their new facility. A little over a week ago, a video was released about their new factory, and it gives us a better idea of what they've got planned. If you've been totally in the dark about this new factory, pretty much all we knew before this video was the size, 270,000 square feet, and the location, about 25 miles south of Bakersfield, California. For reference, the boxable factory that recently opened in Las Vegas is 170,000 square feet, and it's big. Plant Prefab is absolutely sending their new space. The first thing we see when the video starts is a better look at the exterior of the building, and we learn it'll be powered by solar, so off to a great start. Next, we see they're implementing automated wood processing for best-in-class material efficiency, basically more precise cuts leading to less waste. The machinery is going to be utilizing digital modeling data, which, if all goes to plan, will increase production velocity and quality assurance, meaning faster with less mistakes. Here's the thing. If you're a human watching this, and if you're watching this, you are a human, then you make mistakes. It's what we do. Sure, some people make less than others, but we all make them, so it's not surprising that they're automating parts of their build process. For example, I personally know multiple perfectly healthy adults who have literally crapped their pants for no other reason than negligence. And me including that in this video is most likely a mistake as well, so you're currently watching one unfold in real time. Like and subscribe. The point I'm trying to make is that automation should lead to less mistakes because we as humans aren't perfect. So why not cut down on mistakes now that technology is allowing us to do it? Other processes to be automated include framing, interior finish application, installation of high thermal performance insulation, wall closure, nailing, and routing of openings. After that, windows will be installed, and then this is where things really get interesting. The next clip says internal and external spoke factories factories efficiently assemble plant modules and plant panels. I knew they were calling the new facility a hub factory, but I didn't connect the dots or clue into the fact that they would be sending partial pieces assembled in their automated factory to what they're calling spoke factories to complete modules there. If I'm understanding this correctly, it sounds to me like they'll be increasing output by 800 dwelling units per year at the hub factory, while also increasing output at existing factories with increased efficiency. At this point, I have no idea how much this will increase output at the so-called spoke factories, but what they're planning is an entirely new way to build, and the housing industry has a lot of room for improvement. The reason all of this is possible is because of their patented plant building system. The plant building system is a hybrid solution combining a new kind of panels with highly specialized modules. In conventional modular construction, the entire home is finished off-site in 1, 2, 3 or more pieces delivered to the site and put together. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that style build. In fact, that's the space I operate in, but for what they were trying to do, they found there were limitations in a couple different ways. First, they wanted greater design flexibility. While Plant does build homes in traditional off-site constructed shapes and sizes we're all used to seeing, they also build homes that look absolutely nothing like traditional modular homes. They've got a wide variety of sizes and exteriors that would stop the show in any neighborhood I've ever been in. Second, they wanted more transportation efficiency, saying that in traditional modular construction, the entire building is constructed off-site as large modules. This can achieve significant time and cost savings, but it presents design challenges for certain types of projects. And trucking huge empty boxes is expensive, so construction cost savings diminish with shipping distance. On top of that, not every job site is accessible by the large trucks required to ship mods or the large cranes required to install them. Even though that's the exact industry I'm in, and it does seem like they're kind of taking shots at it, they do make some good points. I recently got a quote to move a home, and with increased gas prices, it's going to cost $4,000 more than it did last year. Long story short, to achieve their goals, they needed a new hybrid system that designed flexibility and portability of panels with the time and cost advantage of modular, optimized for custom architectural home building. That's the Plant system in a nutshell, and it makes sense. It opens the doors to a bunch of new design possibilities that wouldn't be possible unless you wanted to build the entire home on site. And to me, that just doesn't make any sense. Have you ever wondered why General Motors doesn't bring every part of the car to your house and put the vehicle together in your driveway? Neither have I. It's such a ludicrous idea that unless you're trying to prove a point in a YouTube video, most people probably haven't even thought about it, but that's been the standard for home building forever. I'm not sitting here claiming that on-site construction is going to be a thing of the past. That'd be ridiculous. However, I do think innovation is making a strong case for off-site construction, and I do think it will continue to gain popularity. Right now, there is a shortage of homes, so we need to keep as many build options as possible, but it'll be interesting to see what happens when automated factories, whether Plant or any other company, are nationwide building homes this way. Could this be the new standard? Off-site construction is making some serious advances on how homes are being built, and based on what I'm seeing, I think it's the future of housing. Plant Prefab is making some big moves down in California that I think will affect not only prefab, but the entire housing industry. So I'm going to keep an eye on their progress, and when new information comes out, I will make an update right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.